Parents could soon have access to more information about mold and other health hazards their children are exposed to in school.
School systems could choose to make this data public, but Chris Papst explains it may take legislation to give parents access to air quality reports.
Because it's been lonely. It's been very lonely.
The past 4 years for Maureen Hall have been the hardest of her life.
You know, I can't travel to see my daughter. I haven't seen her, in 4 years. She's in Alaska.
The former marathon runner has been suffering from serious health issues, including headaches, asthma, even celiac disease. The COVID pandemic has only made things worse, forcing her into isolation.
So if this passes today, this is a victory for everybody. It's just not. It's a victory for everybody. It's a victory for my kids. It's a victory for my colleagues. And it's a victory for everybody that goes in those buildings and breathes that air in and doesn't realize what they're breathing in. So it will be a victory for everyone.
This is like the wrappings that are on the pipes and things.
Project Baltimore first met Hall in the summer of 2020.
This is mold. This is all mold.
When her health issues forced her to retire early, leaving a job she loved as a Baltimore County school teacher. Her doctors believe her job is what made her sick. They told her she has a mold allergy and was likely exposed to mold in her school.
I have some money saved, and so that's helping me, but some big finances are going to come through now, and I'm worried about keeping my house.
Hall didn't know she was breathing in mold at Parkville Middle School because even though Baltimore County could release the results of indoor air quality tests, make them public for the students and teachers who are in the building, the district chooses not to. Instead, time and resources are being spent in Annapolis to draft legislation to force them to.
Unfortunately, this bill has come about as a reaction to a situation that occurred in a school in my district.
Baltimore County Democrat Delegate Carl Jackson saw Hall's story on Fox 45 News and introduced legislation that would mandate schools make the results of indoor air quality tests public so people like Hall can see what is in the air they're breathing. Some schools, like Howard County, already make the results public. Others don't. In 2020, when Project Baltimore requested indoor air quality reports for all of Baltimore County schools, the district wanted to charge us more than $5,700 for the results of tests that taxpayers already paid for.
This is a simple transparency bill aimed at ensuring that there is easy access to information online regarding any possible health risks that might be present in the air that students and school staff are breathing in while in school.
Welcome, February 24th, 2022, to the Ways and Means Committee voting session.
On February 24th, House Bill 665 went before the Ways and Means Committee. Delegate Jackson asked Hall if she would be willing to testify in support of the bill.
2 reasons why House Bill 665 should be passed. The first reason is personal.
She immediately agreed.
I know firsthand how poor air can affect your health.
During the hearing, Hall spoke for the entirety of her allotted 2 minutes. If the bill passes the Ways and Means Committee, it then goes before the entire House of Delegates.
I think this bill, once and hopefully it's passed, will allow this to be more transparent.
Indoor air quality has become an increasing concern with the spread of COVID, especially in older buildings with poor ventilation. It's no longer just about health hazards like mold and asbestos that can be in the air. Hall believes people have a right to know about all the health hazards that can make them sick while in school.
But I feel relieved now. I hope it goes. I just hope this is passed. And I'm not out to get anybody. I want this passed. It's for the betterment of our kids. That's what we should be concentrating on, making these bills safe for everyone.
I'm Chris Papst, and this is Project Baltimore.